Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to get Mahito for free in Jujutsu Shenanigans in the easiest way. To start, Mahito is a powerful cursed spirit from Jujutsu Kaisen, and getting him for free in Jujutsu Shenanigans can be done through a few straightforward methods. First, focus on completing specific quests or missions that reward Mahito as a playable character. These quests often involve defeating Mahito in battle, accomplishing a series of tasks tied to him, or reaching certain milestones within the game. Next, to keep an eye out for limited time events or collaborations that feature Mahito as a free reward. Game developers frequently offer special promotions or events where players can obtain Mahito without spending any in-game currency. Participating in these events is crucial for securing him for free. Another method involves using in-game currencies or resources to purchase Mahito from the game store or marketplace. While this isn't entirely free, it allows you to acquire Mahito by investing time or resources you've already earned through gameplay. Engaging with the game's community and social media channels can also be beneficial. Developers often run contests, giveaways, or promotions where players can win Mahito or other valuable items for free. By participating in discussions, sharing content, or completing specific challenges, you increase your chances of obtaining Mahito without spending any money. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. Do consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.